Alright, I'm back coming out with you with another guide on how to search your providers on your Medicare insurance plan. So next we're going to look up UnitedHealthcare's Medicare provider. So as always, we can start with Google, UnitedHealth Medicare. So we're going to scroll down uhc.com. I'm looking for UHC Medicare. Here we go, www.medicare.uhc.com. This should be right where we want to be. So this thing loads up. This is our main screen here, so we could do a couple different things, register, but right here's what I'm looking for. We're going to find a provider. As this link opens up, it's the same one we're going to use for pretty much all of our tools or plans or which ones we're looking for. So I'm going to put in my office zip code, search, or continue, and here's all the plans that's available in this zip code. So I'm going to choose this one right here, this HMO POS. That's one of the ones that we do often here. You can also search your special needs plan. So these are if you've got dual plans like Medicare and Medicaid. Just make sure you're selecting the proper plan. So we're going to search this HMO POS. And then here we can search by people if we're looking for providers, places, types based on treatment or based on care for a condition. Let's jump right to provider names. Let's search a Dr. Warren. And then we're going to give it a time to drop down. Here's Dr. Charles Warren. He is in the network. Information on how to contact his office, a location. We've got multiple locations available here. So we've got the Beach Boulevard location, the US Highway 17 in Orange Park or Fleming Island. We can also look up any patient reviews. We got 13 patient reviews, pretty high rated review here. So there's one on Dr. Charles Warren. So let's go back to the beginning. Maybe I want to search places. So maybe I want to look up a specialty center or clinic. So let's look up clinics like urgent care. So I'm going to click urgent care, convenient urgent care clinic. Close. And here are my urgent care clinics that are in network. So we got our care spots, our St. Vincent urgent care now, and these locations. And we can search by dentist, or I could also view a map. And when this loads up, I should have a map with multiple locations where some urgent care facilities are located that I could get into to see based on my provider, or based on where I live, or if I'm trying to get into care. Let's go back and search for a specialist. Let's say I want to search by primary care. I'm going to look specialty, and let's just see what I find here. Let's look up a pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. And here's the pulmonologists that are in my network based on that plan. I can also quickly change my plan if I need to and search again. And maybe I've chose the wrong plan for some reason. But that's a quick guide on how you use the UnitedHealthcare's provider search tool to check if your providers are in the network, as well as if you're looking for a new provider. My name's Jake Purvis. Thank you for your time. I hope you got something out of this, and I look forward to working with you in the future.